Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I give myself a spa-like facial at home. So if you want to see how I do it, just keep watching. I always start by putting on this terry cloth headband. You can literally get these anywhere, and just pulling my hair into a bun so that way it's out of my face. Using a steamer is going to give you the real spa feel at home. This is actually my cousin's steamer and it looks a lot like the ones they use at the actual spa. I like to steam my face for anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes just to open my pores and allow the products to really penetrate the skin. That way my skin receives the full benefits of the product. First, I'm going to cleanse my skin for 1 to 2 minutes using this Kate Somerville Gentle Daily Wash. Just like at the spa, I'm applying this cleanser with the steam on my face so that the cleanser can take care of any oils and dirt on my skin and get a nice deep cleanse. I'm just going to pat my skin dry with a towel before double cleansing and exfoliating. I'm using this Lactic Glow Micro Polish Cleansing Gel from Urban Skin RX, which contains a blend of alpha hydroxy acids and jojoba beads that works to gently dissolve cellular buildup to leave skin feeling softer and looking brighter. I didn't apply any water to this product. I'm just using the steamer, and that's what's causing you to see the foam. After rinsing that off, I'm going to apply this Origin's Original Skin Resurfacing Mask with Rose Clay. I really like this mask a lot because it gently exfoliates the skin and draws out any additional dirt and debris. It also minimizes the look of pores. So we'll let that mask sit on the skin for about 10 minutes, and while we're waiting, I'm going to exfoliate my lips with the Lush Honey Lip Scrub. You could easily make this at home, but this is a good one if you want to purchase one. So I'm just going to steam my face one last time for about 1 minute. To be honest, the steam is my favorite part about getting a facial. It's just so relaxing to me. Next, I'm going to tone my skin using my OG fave, Pixie Glow Tonic. I have talked about this a million times on my channel, so if you know, you know. Now I'm going in with a new favorite, and that is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. You guys, I'm so obsessed with these. I have been using them for the last few days and I have seen such a difference in my skin. My skin looks brighter, it feels more smooth. I'm also noticing that old acne blemishes that seem like they would never fade are actually fading. If you don't get anything else from this video, get these. We'll wait 2 minutes while step 1 dries, and as we're waiting, I'm going to apply the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. I just picked this up recently and I'm already loving it. It's super moisturizing and I feel like it lasts way longer than the Laneige mask. Now that it's been 2 minutes, we can apply step 2 of the daily peel. You also have to wait 2 minutes for this one to dry. Next, it's time to apply a serum. I'm using this Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. It has a nice lightweight gel texture and it feels very hydrating on the skin. To moisturize, I'm using this Ultra Hydrating Gel Moisturizer from Trader Joe's. I'm so obsessed with this moisturizer, you guys. It's so good and it's really affordable. Because my skin can't possibly have enough hydration, I'm going in with my Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This mask is very popular and for good reason. It's extremely hydrating on the skin. You can use it as an overnight mask, and most times that's what I do, but you'll see later that I'm actually going to come back and blot it off using a warm washcloth. I'm also going to use these cucumber eye masks from Sephora to hydrate and depuff my under eye area. We'll wait 10 minutes and then remove the eye mask. Here I am just blotting off the Summer Fridays mask. My skin feels so good and I feel super relaxed. I love doing facials at home, you guys, because going to the spa just isn't an option for me right now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love you so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.